Welcome back, everyone. Pedro here with another live stream. Super excited to have you guys here. I hope you guys are doing well. If you're new to the family, welcome. My name is Pedro, and we do live streams. I share my charts with you guys every day and post content every single week. So super excited to have you guys. If you're new, welcome to La Familia. Subscribe below, comment, and feel free to like this video if you enjoy these live streams. With that being said, guys, I wanted to kind of give you guys a little bit of an outlook on my charts, like what I'm looking at, my analysis, my overall outlook for the coming week, and kind of share with you guys as we go. So I'm not going to waste any more time. We're going to just get started, guys. As you guys could see with gold, we had lots of opportunities that price went in our favor. You could see my analysis here too. I wasn't anticipating a potential move either to the downside and then potentially coming back up outside of this range, and price actually went in our favor, and you can see it here pretty well too. But then I did change the analysis going back here that maybe we were going to come back into the range, and there was a lot of news going out anyways during FOMC, and not only FOMC, but we had a lot of news going on this week. So I just wanted to kind of update you guys a little bit as to what I'm anticipating for the markets, guys. So give me 1 second as we get everything all set up. I'm just gonna get all the video description, everything all sorted out, and then we should be good. Okay, guys. All right, guys, I'm just gonna update the video description here. We should be good. Oh, we got Spencer. Let's go, Spencer. Let's go, bro. This is live. Super excited to have you here, my man. And we're just getting started here in a second. I have to literally update the video description here, so give me 1 sec, and then we'll just kind of dive in deep, guys. How you feeling, Spence? Hope you're doing well, buddy. I know that you had some stuff going on with your teeth or something like that, so I hope you're doing well, my man. Awesome, guys. If you enjoyed these live streams, smash that like button for me, guys. I really do appreciate it. It does support the channel, and in turn we can continue to create more and more content every single day for you guys. Okay, so I think we're good here in this sense. Everything's updated here. I'm just going to we got Avatar. Hello, bro. Welcome, my man. Welcome. I'm just gonna put everything here. Also, if you haven't joined in our free Telegram group, guys, make sure you guys click the link below to join our free Telegram group. I'm gonna put here all the links in the chat box, and then we're gonna get started, guys. We're gonna take a look at the charts. The link right there, that's for my VIP inner circle. If you're looking to level up on your trading, go check that out. I do share my analysis and my trades on that as well. This is my website. Go check that out as well. And recommended broker, if you guys are looking for a proper broker, a broker that you can rely on, that is regulated, make sure you guys go check out my broker as well too, guys. That is they're really good. But it seems like the link is also not working. So if you need the link, just reach out to me, okay? 1 second, guys. Okay, give me 1 second. We should be good. Can you guys hear me well? Good. Okay. As we wait for more people to join us, guys, I'm going to put the link here. This is the link for the free Telegram group, okay? Make sure you guys join in on that as well too. And I'm gonna actually tag it to the top of this chat. Beautiful. Okay, awesome. Alrighty then. All right, guys, let's get started. Let's not waste any time. What are we looking at for gold, guys? What's going on with gold? Let's start with Dixie. That's the real question here. Do you guys remember on my analysis on Dixie? And you notice how I mentioned that we were going to get a pullback. We happen to go down a little bit lower. However, remember how price always tends to always pull back and retest to these highs? We actually did get that retest. Look at this huge. We got 2 wicks here. We got that rejection. And then look what happened with the dollar. Price ended up melting after that and actually came back up to these highs and retested it once more. So I want to clear the charts. I want to start fresh because this is kind of a little bit choppy. You know, we always kind of want to have a clear picture, a clear understanding of where we are in the markets, right? So obviously this candle closed just below this level structure, right? We want to understand structure, right? Key levels of structure is really crucial for us to understand what prices may be doing, right? Now the dollar has been trending to the downside for quite some time. If we look at the weekly, we can understand we're pretty much at a crucial level, okay? If I pull this level of support that I had and I move it to the left, you guys are going to be able to see that this is actually a pretty major level of structure actually, because we've got lots of touch points here. We've got a level of resistance here, level of resistance here, level of support, and now potentially retesting it as a level of support. Now, what I want to see as a trader at this point, there's a lot of indecision. However, it's not really looking bullish at any point right now. I don't see bullishness for the dollar yet. So there's many different things that could happen. We could, you know, create some sort of a potential fake out to the downside, could be going a little bit lower and then we push back in, could be a possibility, right? But I'm not looking at any bullish moves yet because the weekly is still looking quite bearish, right? You know, we've been kind of in this downwards pressure to the downside. And so I don't really see any buy opportunities just yet, okay? Same thing with the daily. The daily, what is looking like, the daily is also bearish, right? And if I kind of stretch this out so you guys could see a little bit better, the daily here is kind of forming this downwards channel, okay? And then if I put this on the 4-hour time frame, this will look much clearer. Do you guys see what I'm talking about here? This right here, by the way, is a fake out, okay? That's a fake out, so just ignore that. Are you guys understanding that? Yes, good, awesome, guys. Smash that like button for me, guys. We're at 3 likes. Can we get it to 5 likes, guys? Let's go. We got buy on Henderson. What broker do you use? I use Blueberry Markets, my man. Really, what I like about them is that they're regulated. They have really good customer service. So like I actually speak with them. Like they reach out, they say, hey, Pedro, everything good, whatever. And withdrawals are simple, nice and easy. So if you're looking for a broker that's really good and reliable, go check that out, guys. The link is in my video description. If it doesn't work for whatever reason, because sometimes I don't know what happens with the link, it kind of expires or something. But just click the link. When I share it on the chat, it doesn't really work for whatever reason. It's in the video description. There's a sign up bonus with my link as well too, guys. So go check that out if you sign up, and I think the minimum is $100. Okay, so let's move on. So we've noticed that with the dollar, right? We've been in this kind of downwards trajectory. Could the dollar come back up a little bit higher? Yes, I do believe that. And we could potentially actually break these highs, right? We have to understand that the dollar right now is potentially breaking this lower level of structure, right? We got support, support, support. Right now it's retesting it. If we break back up to these highs, what I want to see is a strong momentum on the Dixie, okay? And then if we get that strong momentum, we wait for that retest and we may start looking at new levels here, right? And if that is the case, what happens when the dollar goes up in strength, right? Gold melts, right? It's just nature, right? So if the dollar is gaining strength at this point, right, gold is going to go to the downside in this case, right? So if gold is gaining strength, what's going to happen with the dollar? The dollar is going to weaken, okay? So, or the other way around, whatever, right? So in this case, if the dollar's going to potentially keep going higher, we could anticipate either a short-term pullback here. Let me just clear the charts here for gold as well too. What are we looking at here on the weekly for gold? We're pretty much at we're again, another crucial level here, guys. Look at this. We got support on the left-hand side, support on the left-hand side over here, and we're retesting this level structure. I think personally, gold could give us some sort of a retracement, especially after a strong move to the upside for quite some time. We've had this strong trajectory to the upside. we can anticipate probably gold come back down to this lower level around 1840, around the 1840 level. This could be an area where I could anticipate gold to come down to. Now, we need to realize something. If the weekly is starting to give us that kind of shift in the overall sentiment, we could anticipate actually gold to give us some sort of a potential double top retracement or a short-lived pullback, where on the higher time frames like the weekly, we could see gold do something like this, similar to like a double top, or it could come back up, slightly retest, and then it comes down to this lower level before we see probably price come back up and retest new highs, right? So we just have to keep this type of stuff in mind as to what price could potentially do. Now, does this mean that we know exactly where price is going to go? No, not necessarily. As traders, we have to understand the overall kind of direction and work with what we have, right? This is not a game where you're gambling or trying to predict or whatever. We work with what we have, and this is where we may anticipate price to go to, right? Okay, so we've got what broker you? Okay, perfect. Jason, let's go, Jason. Welcome, my man. Guys, smash that like button for me, guys. Can we get it to 10 likes? Let's get it to 10 likes, guys. If you enjoy these live streams and you want me to continue to stay on here and post every single day, give your boy a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. It does support the channel. We got buy on here. What's the max you can put in and pull out? I'm not too sure. I haven't really looked into it, but you can put in a lot. Like you can put, I don't know exactly the amount, the dollar amount, but they don't have huge limits. If you go to their website, you can check it out, but click the link, my link there, and then you'll be able to kind of read up on it more. And if you want the sign up bonus, you have to make sure that when you're ready to sign up, click the link. You can look at the reviews too, guys. Go check out the reviews, do your research and stuff like that. I'm not by any means like, you know, I always tell everyone, I'm like, guys, if you're gonna join or with a broker, just go with a regulated broker. Trust me, when I first started going with an unregulated broker, there's lots of like, you know, manipulation. There's a lot of like, you know, higher spreads, you know, more risk of like them just doing shady stuff, having issues withdrawing money, all that type of stuff, right? So when you go with the regulated broker, it's definitely really important, right? So that's really my best advice, even if you go with my broker or not. But okay, so beautiful, guys. I appreciate the love, appreciate the support. Let's continue on. So anyways, we are starting to see that exhaustion. So what do we do here, guys? On the weekly, once we understand this, and this is, we don't have to do this all the time, by the way, guys. We have to do this every once in a while, right? So what I'm gonna do here, okay, and you guys take some notes, okay? What I'm gonna do is I'm going to put text. I'm gonna note that our weekly is looking what? Bearish. Okay. We're gonna take a look at our daily as well. Okay, daily and 4 hour. Why do we do this? Because this is gonna help us understand the direction. Once we understand the direction of the market, then we can always reference back and understand the weekly is looking bearish at this given time, right? So if we look at the weekly right now, right, we're kind of ranging, or we could say we're trending sideways, but we could see that what are we forming here? We've got, look, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Look at this. We got a high, got another lower high, and what are we forming here? Is this another high? No, it's another lower high. A lot of times you have to understand that not everything's going to look textbook, guys. You know, when I first started out, I was always looking for that perfect textbook kind of patterns and stuff, right? As traders, you have to understand that it's not always going to look pretty, okay? So keep that in mind. Take notes again, right? Keep in mind that things won't always look pretty. This in reality could really be a complex pullback for gold, okay? Look at this downwards channel, right? You guys see it better now? This is why I am anticipating gold is bearish on the weekly. Now let's move on to the daily. What are we looking on the daily? The daily's looking bullish. It's still looking bullish. The reason why is because if we look at the daily here, okay, look at this upwards trajectory. Every single day, this is one candle representing daily moves, okay? And all I see here as a trader is a strong move to the upside. I don't really see, I see pullbacks, but I don't see downwards channel. I don't see, you know, price ranging kind of like this here, right? So the daily, we're going to mark this off, guys. What are we looking at the daily? The daily is bullish. Okay. Now, let's move on to the 4 hour. What are we looking at the 4 hour? The 4 hour is, what is the 4 hour doing right now? The 4 hour is looking like, I can still say, to be honest with you, the 4 hour is still looking bullish too. Yeah, the 4 hour is still looking bullish. I'd like to say, however, we are kind of in a ranging market right now, right? So we just have to keep that in mind, right? So we could say 4 hours just ranging right now. However, what I would want to see for gold is a potential retracement of this level. It could just be a short-term pullback, similar to what we see here, right? Now, once we start breaking, let's say if gold, for example, breaks this lower end level here, because we're kind of forming this lower downwards channel. If we get one more leg to the downside here and it breaks this lower end level here, I'm going to show you this level here, okay? If it breaks this lower end level, then you best bet that most likely we might create a new lower low, because if we look over here on this kind of bigger, like if we look at the higher time frame, like the monthly, this kind of looks like a bullish flag, right? Why? Well, why, Pedro? Why does it look like a bullish flag? Well, check this out. We got the strong momentum, we got the pullback, and then potential move to the upside. You guys understand that? Yeah? Good? Yeah? Are you guys with me understanding this? This is good because you're able to understand as a trader. And again, this is not just me telling you what I think is going to happen next, but I'm actually showing you how I look at the charts, right? All right, guys. Welcome to all of our newest members, guys. If it's your first time here, guys, let me know in the chat box below. Introduce yourself. Don't be shy. If it's your first time, let me know where you're tuning in from, guys. I know we got people from all over the world, so I appreciate you all very much. Okay, so again, right? And then if we look here, this is obviously the monthly, by the way. So again, not really going to focus so much on the monthly right now. That's kind of a little bit irrelevant. But we could get in this kind of like, you know, strong push and sort of a downwards channel. We could anticipate one more leg to the downside for gold, right? Could it come all the way down here? Maybe, possibly. It's going to take a while, but it could be a possibility, right? If we break these highs, then we know, hey, where could we potentially target here for gold? Well, you know what? At this point, we may be seeing new highs, right? We may see gold actually start and create that extra leg, right? That strong momentum, we're getting that retracement. We're pretty much at the above these highs here. We're just creating a bullish flag here, and we could anticipate one more push to the upside. How much of a move? Well, that is hard to predict. It's very unpredictable, but at this point, typically what we see is the same move in the past. Look at this, same move in the past. We move it over here, and this is where we may see gold in the future, 2,600, right? Maybe the dollar's going to get so weak, right? We're coming onto a potential recession, right? Where we may see price for gold gain some strength, right? So this is how we mix in fundamentals mixed in with understanding the overall bigger picture. And this is how we're able to catch these opportunities. Understanding that, hey, you know what? On the weekly, we're bullish. On the weekly, we're bearish in this time currently. But on the daily, we're bullish and we're kind of ranging. That could tell me that potentially, you know what? We might start seeing a shift in the market here for gold. Sorry. Where if we see it break above these highs, right, because we're just in a range here on the 4 hour time frame, then at least we know that, hey, you know what, we may be looking for potential continuation of buys. At this point, I just see a range and I want to stay out of it, to be honest, right? I don't see any trade opportunities at this given time. In terms of news, we have some more US news tomorrow. We have non-farm payroll, not payroll, so non-farm employment change. So we've got a lot of news this week. That's what's creating all this manipulation, right? So we work with what we have, and this is kind of where we start narrowing it down to the smaller time frames. We start understanding, okay, that's a crucial level here. We got a retracement here. Price rejected these highs twice, right? We got a bearish candle here on the daily. So this to me tells me that, hey, you know what? If we break even below these levels or this candle closes bearish on the 4 hour time frame, we could anticipate a shift in the market. Let me clear the charts here so you guys could see what I'm talking about. We could see a potential shift in the market for gold to the point where we may see it actually maybe come back down and do something like this, where it pulls back up, fails to create a new high at this point, comes back down, with a stronger momentum push, we wait for a retest, and then it starts shifting back down. And on the bigger picture, that is that full pullback that we were anticipating anyways, right? That pullback to these levels down here at 1840, 1850. Okay. And again, you know, this could be again, it could be short-lived, but again, this is just what I'm telling you guys so that you guys can understand, right? Guys, we're at 7 likes. Can we get it to 10 likes, guys? I really do appreciate it. Let's get it to 10 likes if you guys understood that explanation. Welcome to my man Muhammad. Yes, bro, my first time here from Somalia. Welcome Muhammad from Somalia. We got lots of you know, family members already here, part of the family. Jason's already part of the family. Bayan, welcome, my man. Avatar, Spencer, let's go. Kayer, let's go. Anyways, guys, I appreciate you all very much. I appreciate the love and support. So so far, let me know in the comments below, are you guys understanding what I'm talking about here with gold? Does that help you guys? Let me know in the comments below if that's helping you guys understand. And again, this is very correlated with the dollar, right? So if the dollar at this point, let's say we get a push above here, right? The dollar gains strength, then gold might come back down. But however, remember what I told you, right? If the dollar at this point, we've been pushing to the downside, it's looking really bearish on the 4-hour time frame. We're kind of in this nice clean downwards channel. We are not creating higher highs at this point, so we can't anticipate a breakout. There could be a potential breakout because we know that on the higher time frames we're at a support level, but we could just continue to go down lower, right? And so we're at a resistance area right now where price is retesting right now for Dixie. Okay, so what I'm seeing here is, look at the left, guys. Look at the left. We got multiple levels of previous level support now retesting the dollar as a level of resistance. Okay, so if we get a clean rejection of this level structure, okay, and we reject this level and we see the dollar lose strength, what do you think is going to happen? And again, I'm going to keep you guys in the loop with gold. But what do you think is going to happen from here? Why do you think I said it's probably going to come back up and just retest these highs once more? So, you guys get it? Yeah? Good? You guys understanding that? Good? Okay, perfect, guys. I hope you guys are learning and understanding. Guys, we're at 9 likes. Can we get it to 15 likes? Let's get it to 15 likes, guys. Let's go. We've got Ajay. Please, sir, send some signals on the free group. So the signals that I'm doing on are leaving my charts with gold. We caught over 220 pips literally 2 days ago. So again, I can't stress this enough, guys. If you don't want to miss out on trade opportunities, on free signals, free trades, and all that type of stuff, make sure you're subscribed, but also make sure your notifications is turned on. I can't stress that enough because I do have my charts running sometimes, and I share with you guys trade opportunities, but you have to make sure that you have your notifications turned on. That way you don't miss out. Okay. And if you're looking to learn or maybe take your trading to that next level, and you know, take advantage of my private Zoom calls that I do with my VIP inner circle, make sure you guys go check out the link to join my VIP. That is there for you guys. But again, I like to keep it nice. That's why I call it inner circle, because I like to keep it nice and tight. It's not just a signal room. You know what I mean? You guys know that. For those that have known me for a while, you guys know my intentions. I'm not here to just be like, here's a bunch of signals. I'm here for you guys to learn. I want to help you guys. I want our community to grow. I want to see your trading journey grow. And like getting the messages I get every day, guys, where they're like, yo, Pedro, like, man, like your analysis, what you've taught me, like even my students in VIP, or even people that, you know, family members that I like to call you guys, that have literally watched off of my YouTube channel for free, have messaged me privately on Telegram saying, Pedro, man, like literally you were like that added little spice or sugar that I needed in my trading, or like you helped me unlock, you know, a different perspective of how to look at the markets and all that type of stuff. I get those messages every other day, and it's such a blessing to be able to see how much of an impact you can create. And that's what I want. I want to have a positive community, which is what we've established, guys. So I'm very proud of you guys, and you know, make yourself at home. Okay, anyways, that's what I have for gold. And again, why am I seeing here? Let's look at my RSI. What's my RSI? Look how overbought we are, oversold here on my RSI here on the 1 hour. Let's look at the 4 hour. To be honest with you, I think gold here we could be looking at gold buys from here, right? And I'm probably target around these highs here. So even the 30-minute, look how oversold we are. You can start looking for gold buys if you want here, guys. Again, not the right timing though. I don't like trading at this time. But if you want, do like a low lot size, right? You could target kind of this area here because look, we've got a lot of resistance here, right? This previous level support, guys. Take a look at this. Look at the left. Previous level support, lots of resistance. Future level resistance, 66 pips. Let's say we set our stop loss just below here. This candle here, that's 38 pip stop. Or we could do it a little bit tighter because I don't think it's going to go all the way down there. But let's say we do like 25 pip stop. Okay, that's like a 2.6 risk reward ratio. And I'm looking at potential gold buys from here. Okay, look, we're already, if you would have already got in, we'd probably be up a little bit. Not that much, but you guys get the point, right? That's what I'm seeing here, guys. That's a quick 66 pips. You do a full lot, that's $660, guys. Just like that, right? And again, if we break these highs, because we know that this is a previous level support, look at how many times price rejected this level of support. Multiple times, guys. Multiple times. Look, support, 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 support. Multiple times. If we break above this, we're definitely going up to these highs here at around 1934 level. And again, look for a continuation of buys, guys. That'd be over, I don't even know how much pips, guys. That'd be a lot. That'd be about 100 and that'd be over 280 pips. Again, we've caught that in the past. You know what I mean? So that's definitely not something that can't be done. Look at that. We're already in profits, guys, if you would have got in there. You know what I mean? So that's really, really important, guys. Anyways, guys, we're at 10 likes. Can we get it to 15 likes? Let's go. Let's get it to 15 likes, guys. All right, guys, give me 1 sec. So far, let me know, guys. Are you guys understanding my explanation? Are you understanding everything I'm explaining here, guys? I hope you are. Let me know. Let me know in the chat box below. I hope you guys are understanding everything we're explaining here. Okay. Let's get it to 15 likes, guys. If you enjoy these live streams, let's go. Give me 1 second here, guys. And also just a huge shout out to all of our new members, guys. Huge shout out to all of our newest members. All right, guys, take a look at that gold trade going in our favor, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Awesome, guys. Look at that. Okay, so are you guys do you see this? We're already up right now. This is crazy, man. We're already up 22 pips. That's $200 on a full lot. just like that. Frick, man, this is, see what I mean? I missed this opportunity right there, but literally, guys, going in our favor. Telling you guys, I'm telling you. Welcome to all of our newest members. I see a couple new members just joining. Welcome to the family. Welcome to La Familia. Did you guys watch the other video I posted? I just uploaded another video. Gonna be uploading another one probably tomorrow morning. I do it for you guys. I hope you guys are taking advantage and watching those videos. I'm gonna put the link here for you guys too, for that video. Actually, shoot, I didn't even let people on the Telegram group know I'm live. Why? 1 second. Here, guys. Let me just check. Guys, look at that. Our gold trade. Wow, look at that. Just live right now. 28 pips. We're up 28 pips, guys. So right now, at this point, I would tell you move your stop loss to entry. Okay. If you got in, let me know, guys, in the chat box below if you guys got in on this trade. Let me know. Beautiful trade setup there, guys. Quick in and out. This is also the link to, so I'm just putting that in the chat there for you guys. All right, chat. So I'm going to put that in there. That is the link to my latest video that I've pulled out. Make sure you guys watch it after this live stream. So go check it out. I do drop some gems in there to help you guys kind of find sniper entries. So make sure you guys go check that out. Really cool video. I really enjoyed making it for you guys. So once we're done here, once we're done the live, go check that out, guys. Guys, we're at 10 likes. Can we get it to 15? Let's go. Anyways, beautiful gold trade setup here. You can move your stop loss to entry. We're currently up 28 pips. It's officially risk-free. So again, beautiful trade setup. I believe gold will probably continue to go up here. Let's look at Dixie in the meantime right now. Dixie again looking pretty bearish at this point. We're coming to a major resistance area. I could anticipate the dollar to continue to go down lower at this point. Yeah, like, I mean, right now we're just in a risk-free trade at this point. 28 pips, call it a day. Great work, chat. Great work. We did it. All right. See what we got here. All right, let's take a look at in the meantime, while gold goes in our favor here, let's take a look at other pairs. So what are we looking at for GU? Let's go up to the daily here and see what's going on. So do you remember with GU, I told you guys that, you know, we were forming kind of this double top here formation. However, I wasn't looking for sells until we actually break below this lower level at around 1.22 530 range. Kind of like we need to have that strong momentum. That's why I have this here. Look at my analysis. Look at here, right? That's a strong momentum, the pullback, and then a continuation to the downside, right? Now, Pedro, why are you looking for potential sells? Well, the reason why I was personally looking for potential sells, but not yet understanding the overall direction, was because we were failing to create a higher high, right? If we look at this, guys, we can understand the overall direction. What are we trending on the daily? We can see what? High, right? Lower high. Sorry, higher low and higher high, right? And we failed to what? Create a higher high at this point. So that's really it. And you can see that this was a heavy level of resistance. Look at this level of resistance here, right? And we formed a double top here on the daily. If we narrow this down to the 4-hour time frame, again, I told you guys we're ranging currently. But again, I'm not looking for any buys or sells at this given time because we're just in a ranging market. And what do we do when we are in a ranging market, guys? Let me know in the chat box below. What do we do as traders when price is ranging? Let me know, guys. I teach you guys all this time, every time in the live streams, guys, but let me know, what do we do when we're in a ranging market? And then after we got, hello, bro, can you please tell me about your GBP? Yeah, we'll take a look at your GBP, my man. No problem. We'll take a look at it in a second. All right. That's right. We're looking for a breakout. That's right, guys. That's right. We are looking for a breakout. So with Euro, GBP, US, we should anticipate some sort of breakout. We did break below this, and we closed below. So if we look at the 1-hour time frame, we could get a little bit of a slight little retest. If we get a nice rejection here, we could anticipate continuation of sells here for GU. Okay, so we'll come back. We'll reference back here. Let's move on here. GJ, what are we looking at, GJ? Remember I was telling you guys sell setups below this level structure? Look what happened with GJ. And in fact, let me zoom in here, guys, for GJ. And you guys want to see? Look at this. Look at your boy, man. Look at this. Look at that. Exactly as expected, guys. Look at that. Literally copy and paste pretty much. And I share this with you guys every single day. Straight knowledge, straight fire, guys. If you guys haven't subscribed already, if you haven't joined the family, guys, I don't know what you're waiting for, guys. I'm telling you. And lots of free knowledge here, guys. Lots of free knowledge here. Okay. Felipe, yes, we wait for a breakout. That's correct, my man. Yes, that's how we do it. Okay, perfect. Again, GJ right now may be looking at potential push to the upside. We are definitely, look at this. Look at my RSI, 100% oversold. And we're in a ranging market, right? So it's not, don't worry about the RSI. Remember, we want to focus on what? Price action, market structure. These are things that are important to us as traders. Just understanding major key levels, understanding the direction of the market. And this is what's going to help us level up on our trading, guys. And I teach this every single day, but I want you guys to understand this, right? Once you understand it, then you can see it clear as water. So this is a major level structure. Does it mean for sure it's going to go back up? No, but we could anticipate a short-term pullback, maybe create a double bottom. Could be, right? Because sometimes people don't take their profit, comes back down, knocks them out, or knocks them back into entry. They lose, and then they think, oh, it's going to keep going down. I'm looking for sells. Nope. Does a complex pullback, and then either continues to go higher outside of this range, or it goes down and pulls back, right? There's so many ways it could go. So at this point, I may be looking at GJ buys. However, I want to see this candle close bullish. This following candle close bullish because we do have some resistance, some traffic here on the left-hand side, right? So if I look for buys here, I do have to realize that this is a level that I may be looking for potential either take my profits here, so I could get in here, take my profits here about 47 pips, or understand that I can move my stop loss to entry and then target these highs above here a little bit higher at 150 pips, set my stop loss, set and forget, 20 pips stop just at below these lows here, 25 pips, let's do that, right? And then you have a nice potential setup, right? Longer term, you can hold on to it and see what ends up happening, but I'm going to leave this here, guys, so we can look back and reference back tomorrow or whatever. But yeah, this is a good potential setup again for GJ. Again, look at my RSI here on the 1 hour time frame, guys. We are 100% oversold, right? Now, don't just trade off of indicators, guys, okay? Point number 2, you don't want to be trading just solely on indicators. Price action is king. Focus on price action, market structure, major key levels, all that type of stuff, right? Then we add certain indicators as an extra added confluence, right, to your trading plan, whatever, all that type of stuff, guys. You guys understand what I'm saying anyways. All right, guys, I have to do some stuff, but I'm going to finish off by looking at one of our members asked for Euro GBP. I'm going to take a look for Euro GBP, Mr. Avatar, one of our members here. So guys, we're at 11 likes. Can we get it to 15 likes, guys? Let's go. Let's get it to 15 likes. Euro GBP. What's going on here with Euro GBP, guys? Take a look at this, guys. I was looking at inverted head and shoulders. We got the pullback here on the 1 hour time frame, and look, price went exactly as expected. I literally told you guys again, we were looking at a inverted head and shoulders pattern formation here. Price broke above. We got the retest, and price went exactly as expected. Retested these highs. Price broke above these highs. If we narrow it down to the 30-minute, we could probably see a nice candle closure bullish. That candle right here would have been a nice indication that we're going to anticipate a continuation to the upside. Sorry if you didn't understand that, but I'm trying to like let you guys know all the info as much as I could. And price literally went in our favor over, wow, like let's say if you would have gotten on this pullback when I told you, even target these highs 30, 40 pips, all the way to 146 pips, right? So again, beautiful trade opportunities that we see in the markets, right? Now let's see where your GBP could go from here, right? So let's take a look here. What was I looking at from the start? Look at that. Inverted head and shoulders at a major level of structure with what, guys? Oh my God, this is so easy, guys. Look, with the overall direction to the upside. Daily looking what? Bullish. Weekly looking what? Bullish. Okay. This is what I'm telling you guys. I'm telling you. I don't know about you guys, but this is crazy, man. Right? Now, could we anticipate a pullback? Yes. Yes, I'm anticipating a pullback. Reason being, if we look to the left-hand side, guys, look at this. We got multiple levels of support, retesting at future level of resistance. It's that simple, guys. Do you see that? So obviously this daily still looks bullish, okay? But look at my RSI. We're starting to reach a point where we're potentially overbought, okay? If we narrow this down to the 4 hour time frame, this RSI is going to be almost at way overbought. Okay, let's narrow this down to the 4 hour. It's going to be 100 overbought. Look at this. 100% overbought. I didn't even look at the 4 hour time frame. I already knew that price was going to be almost 100% overbought. With over 100% overbought at this point, we can anticipate some sort of potential pullback, some sort of potential retracement for Euro GBP. We start looking for potential sells. However, I want to start looking for bearish price action. Again, you need to watch the video I shared with you guys. Literally, I clicked the link there. So after this live stream, guys, I'm going to leave my gold charts on there for you guys, but make sure you guys watch the link. Click the link or go on my channel and watch my latest video on sniper entries. I'm telling you, watch it. It's 12 minutes, but it's 12 minutes of pure gold. Watch it from beginning to end. It's going to help you understand how to level up in your trading, how to understand finding perfect entries, understanding how to find your major key levels of structure, understanding the overall sentiment of the market, and really help you guys with your trading. I can't stress this enough, man. I really can't stress this enough. And so what I'm seeing here for Euro GBP at this point is that it is just kind of stuck in this kind of this major level structure, and it's probably just going to range for a bit. So I'm not looking for sells yet, okay? Because I want to see some bearish price action on the higher time frame, even on the 1 hour time frame. I want to see like at least a bearish candle here. Then I can maybe target these lows here, right? But understand that I wouldn't look for all the way pullback, the price to pull back all the way just yet. Reason being is because excuse me, we could just do something like this. Let me clear this off. Where it may come back down, right? So you can get on a nice short-term sell, okay? But price, however, could come back up to this high and continue to what, guys? Range, right? Until it decides what it's going to do. If it's going to go to the upside or if it's going to go to the downside and pull back. Because we're overbought. Look at my RSI, right? If we go to the 4-hour time frame, we are 100% overbought. Okay? That's why this candle here, I don't want to look for sells just yet. Why? Why, Pedro? Why are you not looking for sells yet? We're overbought. We're 100% overbought on the 4-hour. Because, number one, even though we have this major rejection candle, look at that huge wick. Look at this next candle opened above here at this level, above previous candle. And this candle could create a new high. Could. I'm just saying it could. I'm not saying it will, but it could. And until this candle closes bearish, we're still in this range. I need to see this candle start giving us some sort of a rejection for me to really start realizing that, you know, the sentiment in price is actually really respecting this resistance area, right? And if we go over to the higher time frame, like the daily, let's look to the left. What does the left tell us? Well, we're in this upwards channel, but we're at a major resistance area. Previous level support. Look, support, right? Resistance. Are you guys understanding that? Yes, guys. We're at 12 likes. Can we get it to 15 likes, guys? Let's get it to 15 likes. Appreciate it, guys. Appreciate the love and support. Got my matcha tea as always, guys. You guys know what's good. Keep it clean. Keep it healthy. Okay. Okay, so if you guys want to learn how to level up your trading, guys, go check out my VIP Inner Circle, guys. Right now, I have my prices discounted. Prices will be going back up. It's that simple. I see the value. People see the value in it. I see the value in it. I really dedicate a lot of time to my VIP Inner Circle students. So the link is there if you want to join in. Take advantage of that now. Also, if you want a regulated broker that you can trust and you want a sign-up bonus and take advantage of it, the link is in my video description. Go and click the link below. You'll see where it says recommended broker. Super tight spreads. I trade gold on a daily, and gold, you want to make sure you have a broker that, you know what I mean, goes in your favor in that sense, that they're not manipulating or giving you high spreads, right? And that they're regulated. The link is there below as well too, guys. Also, if you haven't joined our free Telegram group, guys, go and check that out as well too, guys. It's absolutely free to join. The link is here. I'm going to put it here below. And just before I finish off here, I'm going to leave these charts. So don't leave yet. Don't leave yet, guys. You can stay on here. If you're listening to this on your phone or on your tablet or on your laptop or on your desktop, leave this video on because I'm going to be updating us on our gold trade. Okay. And if I see other gold trade opportunities. Okay. So make sure you guys don't get off of it. Make sure you guys go check that out because I'm going to be updating you guys as we go. Okay. Perfect. So price pulled back here. We would have took our profit at this point. We moved our stop loss to entry. Beautiful. We took our pips or 20 pips and called it a day. Now price is most likely going to retest these lows once more. And I'll keep you guys up to date as we go. I'm going to move the charts here, leave the gold, and look at these previous trades that we took together, guys. Live together. This trade opportunity here, I think it was like, we caught like 30, 40 pips. This one over here, we caught over 120. It went down lower, but we caught 120 pips with literally zero drawdown. Look at this one here. We caught over 120 as well. And so on. Anyways, lots of opportunities here, guys. Look in the past, okay? But anyways, I'm going to leave my charts here, guys. I'm going to update them as we go. So make sure you just leave your charts here. If you're listening on your phone or whatever, just leave it on because I'm going to be updating it as we go, okay? And if you have any questions too, guys, leave it in the comments below because I do read the comments as well. All right, let's see what's going on here. I'm just gonna wait, but I think it's probably gonna do something like this. It'll pull back down, retest these lows maybe, and then come back up before it goes down lower potentially. I'll keep you guys in the loop. I'll be updating the charts, guys, so don't worry, okay? Alrighty, guys. And again, like I said, also, if you get a chance, which I recommend you do, go and check out the sniper video. Okay? I'm going to put the link in there in the video description as well for the sniper entries. Did that video for you guys. That's the link for that video, guys. So make sure you guys go watch that video, okay? When you get a chance. And then come back and watch the live stream, okay? All right, guys. I will keep you guys up to date, and I will be watching everything. All right? All right, guys.
Somos los culpables, estamos cansados. Ya no hay mal que por el bien se aguante. No para de buscar sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Ya tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre de fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. De hoy para abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima. somos los culpables. Estamos cansados. Ya no hay mal que por el bien se aguante. No para de buscar sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre de fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cansados. Ya no hay mal que por el bien se aguante. No para de buscar sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre de fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Véame, a poco me somos los culpables. Estamos cansados. Ya no hay mal que por el bien se aguante. No para de buscar sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre de fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. De hoy para abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima. por el bien se aguante. No para de buscar sin poder encontrar otro hombre que a mí me reemplace. Yo tampoco encuentro quien a ti te gane y te mande un mensaje. Si tú quieres vamos, nos encontramos. Siempre de fiesta cuando tú y yo nos juntamos, lo celebramos. Le doy pa' abajo, tú quédate arriba que a ti te encanta en la cima y así quedamos. Ve a mí a poco me sorprende, vamos a dejar de lado lo que no
All right, guys, just gonna update you guys a little bit. Give you guys a little bit of an update. We got that pullback that we were anticipating there. Okay. For gold, so I would see gold kind of holding off at this level now. So here we caught our 20 pips, nice and easy, perfect. Now it seems like it came back exactly as expected, and now we're potentially could see another push to the upside now for gold. And if gold goes up, the dollar should weaken from here. Could be a possibility. Depends on this next candle will really determine what's going to happen here, guys. This next candle here, this next 1 hour candle. If this next 1 hour candle closes bullish, then we're definitely, it's changing its overall trajectory. Then we should see gold continue to go down further. However, we are definitely oversold at this point for gold. So